Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to use our golf swing training set. It comes pre-packed like this and it's so easy to install. We'll just show you that and then we're going to go outside and show you how to use it. It's a three-part installation, so we'll do this quick and easily. We're going to grab the bottom piece over here. And then you'll see here at the back it has 3 holes. You can decide which one you want to use it with. And then you're going to grab the top piece and then just kind of insert it to the first hole like that. And then we're going to take this red knob over here and we're just going to tighten it like that. Okay, so basically that's how to install it, and then we're going to go outside and then we're going to show you how to use it.
The problem is all in your backswing, it's plain to see. You'll hit the ball much further if you swing more easily. If you will let me show you, I can help you break 90. You'll find that golf is such an easy game.